MEOMY coffee maker, 12 cups programmable stainless steel coffee machines, drip coffee maker with 60 ounces. Water reservoir, multiple brew strength, self-cleaning function, keep warm 4 hours. Stainless steel coffee maker classic brushed stainless steel finish makes for a modern and stylish addition to the kitchen counter. 12-cup carafe with stainless steel handle for comfortable dripless pouring. Up to 12 cup per making can meet your family needs. Advanced Brewing Technology Professional boiler for a perfectly hot cup of coffee. Classic or rich, brew strength control allows you to choose your favorite coffee flavor. Adjustable heater plate, low, medium, high, ensures that your coffee stays at the temperature you like best and keeps fresh and flavorful up to 4 hours. Fully programmable coffee machine 24-hour programmable delay brew allows you to wake up with a cup of hot coffee. 0 to 4 hours programmable standby time, save energy and facilitate the next use without resetting the time. Convenient design due to the brew pause feature, you can enjoy a cup of coffee before brewing has finished. Easy to view water windows can be filled accurately. Removable permanent filter for the quick and easy cleanup. Long working life cleaning cycle reminder and automatic cleaning function ensure that the impurities in the coffee machine are cleaned regularly, which ensure the long life of the coffee maker and coffee flavor. MEOMY provide 2 years warranty. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer support is always here for you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.